takes courage to get you outside of the box. It takes courage to be successful. It takes courage to win. People don't talk about people that don't win. If you win, they're going to talk about you. Do you have the courage?
From the current ongoing news, do you think XRP is a worthwhile investment, or should it be avoided at all costs? XRP has had a really long run ever since its launch, and it's faced more than its fair share of challenges. As of right now, I'm in awe at how much this crypto can take and still keep moving on despite all the challenges. I think that this is a worthy investment that Elon Musk should buy. What do you think? I mean, if he's against institutional regulations, hence the Twitter buy, why shouldn't he buy the one crypto that seems to be in constant war with the SEC? Lord knows Elon Musk isn't a huge fan of the SEC. Anyway, despite all that, should we still invest in XRP? And what's next for this crypto giant? More on that after the intro, so don't touch that dial. As always, welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates when we drop new videos. Don't forget to smash that like button, and remember you can always leave a comment in the section below. So back to the question at hand. Will you be able to retire from XRPs? Ripple apparently bought back shares after raising millions in funding in 2019. This move is quite unusual, especially for CEOs. Garlinghouse went on to say his move demonstrated the crypto company's momentum despite the current legal issues with the SEC. Also in late 2019, Ripple was able to raise $10 billion in funding, which was led by Tetragon. There was also notable participation from SBI Holdings and Route 66 Ventures. Ripple is currently buying back shares at a $15 billion valuation, which shows that investors profited by 50% in just under 2 years. Unfortunately, the company did not go on record to confirm this transaction's details. More importantly, SBI Holdings didn't want to comment, and the other companies couldn't be reached for comment. Share buybacks are uncommon, especially among venture-backed companies, but they are not completely unheard of. Ripple grew very quickly despite the crazy headwinds from the SEC, and the company lost a few valuable clients because of it. Brett Garlinghouse also commented saying that Ripple's business has grown significantly to a robust financial position. The company currently has billions of dollars in cash after the repurchases. Additionally, the company has started out strongly in 2022. The biggest and probably most significant challenge that this company has had to face this year is the lawsuit. According to the SEC, the claim that Ripple has created and registered unauthorized securities and distributed to their customers. On the other hand, Ripple is strongly opposing this claim by claiming that XRP was never, at any given point, offered as a security to the customers. The company also complained that the SEC didn't provide them with a fair warning notice. Unfortunately, this was recently denied by the judge, and the legal battle continues on. However, to be fair, the SEC never provided Ripple with a fair notice that the XRP distributions, which had been legal ever since 2013, that it will ever be prohibited under the securities law. This legal battle started about 18 months ago, and it's still ongoing. Thankfully, there's a high chance of a settlement happening this year, 2022, which is fabulous news for XRP holders all over the globe. Despite the current legal issue, Ripple's value has increased this year, and the company continues to grow its roots, partnering with some of the high-end financial companies. And if in case the settlement happens, XRP's price could skyrocket, and the value due to an influx of investors. That will also provide Ripple with a unique IPO opportunity, which will drive the price of XRP even higher. There have been talks about the company going public, with Garlinghouse trying to make a unique footprint in the crypto space. Ripple's IPO plans haven't been officially announced by the company. However, they faced a lot of objection from the regulatory body not to try to go public. And despite all that, the company may decide to go public. Brad Larson has been quoted in a Wall Street Journal article stating that you will see a crypto IPO company in the next 12 months. SBI Group CEO and Chris Larson headed the debut of this company's IPO in an interview with investors. They're just waiting for the legal battle with the SEC to end before moving forward with the initial public offering. Therefore, Ripple will go public once this lawsuit is resolved. Larson has expressed several times an interest in pushing this company to the next level, and that starts with going public. But don't jump on the IPO train just yet. Once a company goes public, the market prices tend to be quite volatile because of the increased liquidity. Now we're going to discuss the sponsor of this video, CEX.io. Staking has never been made easier than this with the CEX.io. All you have to do is sign up and then log into your CEX account. Then click on the spot trading and select Earn. A list of coins that are available for staking will appear. You can scroll down to see the whole list. Then click on the Add Funds button next to the crypto you want to purchase for staking. A wallet ID will appear, and you can now deposit your funds to that wallet. The moment the funds arrive to the wallet, they are staked to their respective networks. Easy peasy, right? You can also buy them using your credit card. Simply click on the Buy button and add the amount you'd like to purchase. The amount earned from staking will be determined by the funds in your wallet. The best part about CEX is that it doesn't lock up your funds in the wallet. However, once you've withdrawn your funds, the staking will cease. All right, time now to take a look at Warren Buffett's financial moves. In 2020, the BOA, Bank of America, revealed the Ripple partnership. A year later, Warren's company bets on the Bank of America, and thanks to the stock's rise, the company has doubled its money. Do you see that Warren Buffett is actually following Ripple's moves? I wouldn't be surprised if we later found out that Warren has been bullish on XRP all along. Buffett sold all of his Goldman Sachs and Wells Fargo stocks and put it all on Bank of America. That should show you that Warren Buffett is optimistic about the future of the Bank of America. And whether they'll admit it or not, Buffett is also optimistic about Bank of America and Ripple's partnership. I mean, why else would he bet so heavily on the Bank of America? CBDCs, they are the next wave in the crypto world. Most government officials are aware of this, even some stating that CBDCs will likely outperform Bitcoin. As of right now, RippleNet is the only platform capable of supporting CBDCs. I hope you see where I'm getting at. Now we're taking a look at the XRP monthly chart. Now take a look at the macro zoomed out outlook of XRP. We have a really nice bull flag that is formed. Even with the SEC smoke and the mirror garbage, we should look at the big picture here. XRP must explode out of this bullish formation, and when it does, look at the FIBO price levels in the gold rectangles. Patience creates generational wealth more than anything, and it shows you what you're made of. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. We continue to pray for the people of Ukraine. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. You can let us know what you think in the comment section below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks as always for watching. Couldn't be here without you. Don't forget to click on that like button below, and please hit that subscribe button. And be sure to turn on notifications. That way you get updates whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.